Hey all, put your gloves on. Let's tie-dye today. As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in a soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more and spun out in the wash machine. I'm going to find the center point. I'm going to start my spiral. I'm just doing a quick pinch and a quick clockwise turn. I'm keeping the center flat as I can by using my palm and finger folding the rest of the spiral around. We don't want a well in the center. Now that I have the bulk of the spiral done, I'm just going to finger fold the rest of the shirt into place, keeping the pleats slightly uniform, but not perfect. All right, let's rubber band this into place. Here's our V-neck. I swear to God I made a video about this. I really did. So here's the top. I'm gonna straighten this out. And remember, your rubber bands make wicking lines. So I want on the front and the back 4 pie pieces. Okay. I'm only going to work in this pie piece right here, but I want them to match on the other side. So I'm going to go from here across because I want to be doing the exact mirroring the design on the back, and I want to be working in the same space. Okay. All right, gonna do rainbow colors. All right, fire red, soft orange, lemon yellow, bright green, brilliant blue, and ultraviolet, whenever I find it. Ultraviolet. Okay, these are natural fiber procion dyes mixed to manufacturer's specifications. And with this, we're going to be working here, and we're going to be doing stripes. We're going to do rainbow stripes: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Okay. And I'm just going to do a little bit. I got 6 colors I gotta fit in this one pie piece. Look what I did already. There's my fire red, my soft orange, my lemon yellow, my bright green. Brilliant blue. And ultraviolet. And then around here, I'm not mad about this because I'm going to be doing like confetti. So I'm going to put a couple drops. Couple drops. Just making some confetti. And we're going to turn it over. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. We're going to do the exact same thing on this side. So we're going to do fire red over here. Some soft orange. Lemon yellow. Bright green. Brilliant blue. And purple. And then I'm gonna just do confetti splashes around the top. And it can be of all the colors, some of the colors. We're just kind of trying to put a little bit in the negative space up top. That's all. There we go. Let's bag it. And I'll see you in 24 hours. And here it is. I have made so many of these, I can't believe I haven't done a video on them. And the only thing that reminded me about making a video was because they had ordered this as a custom because they wanted a V-neck. And what all of them that I have are crew neck. So I had to remember how I did this. But I love, there's so much white. It really is, it's a splash. And I call this the, this is the Rainbow Confetti. Because there's this tidal wave of rainbow color that splashes and causes all the little dots everywhere. And it's one of my happy shirts. I do love this one. So look what we did today. And if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. And I'll make sure to put these in a playlist so they're easier for you to find. And remember, be peaceful, be kind, it's important. And I'll talk to you soon.